And we are live. So we are seeing quite volatile market here. If we look at NQ, we're seeing candles with ranges of 79 points here on the 2-minute chart. Down to the lows here, we're looking at 329 points. Just going to have a look at the daily range currently. Current daily range 329.50. But like I said, we've got these very large candles. Neither ES or NQ saying up. Gonna have a look at gold. Gold's not saying up either. Oh my word. Oh, you've got to be joking me. Oh, you've got to be joking me. I've not been paying attention. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Ah, it would have hit target. Golly. That would have hit target as well. My gosh. Not paying attention. Not concentrating enough. Oh, goodness me. High volume to the downside. This may go down to the 50 today. So 519 down to 509. So that would have been 10 points on ES. Goodness me. How much would you have been on NQ? NQ 583 to 515. Goodness me. Would have been done for the day. I believe. Well, you know what? I'm going to chalk the last trade up to it being not quite a true setup. So I'm going to try and rationalize it to myself. I've got to frame it in a way that will support my psychology. So I'm going to frame it as if it wasn't a true setup and I was right not to take it. Suppose I haven't eaten today, so probably explains the poor concentration. I've been awake for 9 hours as well. Didn't have great sleep, but no excuses. I wonder what the sleep rating is. It's just says I've got a good sleep rating. Just so tempting to think about the previous day's low. High volume again. Seems I'm about to get a long on gold, but not sure about this. No. Seems too difficult. No, we're not going to take it. Seems it's in a bit of a range. I'm going to use some discretion. Didn't set up in the end, but not sure if I'm going to get a better setup on ES like than the one I just missed for 10 points. I don't think I will. I suppose ES has the most room to the downside. Seeing buy up here. Gonna go short. Oh, 225. Oh, 225. 9.25. There we go. $18 to go. We'll see how this candle closes here. Could give us a signal. Doesn't seem like it now. Nope. Nope. So the wait continues. Seems like I sold it too low. Seems I'm going to be stopped out. Yeah, I'm going to be stopped out here. Stopped out. Lost 23,125. After commissions 23,559. So if this trade here would have worked out, would have been done for the day, but came in. Market's just gone the other way.
You have 6 new voice messages. Message from 07520 619.
So we're seeing quite a lot of volatility here. Had a 12.2 minute candle on ES, which is quite volatile. Looking at 53-point candle on NQ. Oh, my word, this market's getting bought all the way back up. Who the hell's the upper phone? What's over there? Let's see. I can't take this long here into the 200. Pretty big risk doing that. Well, that risk would have paid off. No way. It would have been, golly. Almost doesn't matter now. You know what? Let's be disciplined here. You know what? I'm gonna be aggressive. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. You know what? Yeah, I'll be aggressive. There is a big risk of this 200 holding here and sending the market lower. There is that risk. $67.25. 67.25. So I took a really aggressive entry here. Looking for that 67.25. See, as prices got up to 47 there, I thought I'd be getting to target, but not so fast. Not so fast. Likewise on ES, got to 55. Thought prices would get to target there. 63.75. Certainly not a fan of this. You know what? Take it off. Take it off. Gotta stick to the plan here. I really gotta stick to the plan. So we lost a further 3750 on ES there. Picked up a small gain on NQ. But failure to hold higher prices above this 200 here. I'm gonna just wait. $708. We got the 47. Really should be taking some off the table there. It's not part of the plan though. So This keeps threatening to go higher. Seeing this buy up here on the daily chart. We had to move down. Couldn't quite get down to the previous day's low. Seeing the aggressive buy up here. Okay. Decision time. Hesitating far too much here. I'm hesitating because it's not a true setup. Try to get in where I the original position was. May not happen. So rather aggressive trades here. Okay. $63.75. Nope, wrong one. $67.25. 67.25. $47.25. Over here we've got 63.75. No fan of this at the moment. This is aggressive entry long. I want to see it resolve itself pretty quickly to the upside. No, don't like it. So down 31 on ES, down 8 on NQ. Don't like what I'm seeing. Again, these were aggressive long entries. Really, the strategy wants me to go short. 'Come on, my flipping life. Oh my word. $94.25. 94. So a lot bigger stop because of this volatility. $68. Gonna take that off. Gonna take that off. Gonna take both off. Only down 6. Took them both off early. Not quite how the strategy is designed. Let's see if I can get back in where I got out. Move this, looking for a move up to 68. With NQ looking for a move up to 94.25. Order failed. What order was that? Hmm. Definitely seeming like I should have held that position and not take it off. Down at 45. Was an aggressive entry long. Suppose we had these entry longs over here. Took an unnecessary loss. But I didn't have confidence. Okay. This is interesting. If that move up to 68. Definitely feeling a bit of FOMO here. I'll tell you what. So interfered with it. Look at this. Wasn't a true setup, so. I just took that off. Something that was happening in the background. So here's this. Looks like it's going to get to that 94. I exited there at 45. picked up 25 at 750. But we'll see. We will certainly see. Just pure aggressive buying here. Gone through that 63.75. So could have picked up 10. Did not. Picked up more like 4 points. Let's move up to 68. Seems inevitable. Kind of like this here towards that 94. Wasn't quite disciplined enough to hold it. Take that off. Take that off. So I still break even. Get it? Oh, that was break even. Goodness me. It's 4 more trade anyway, so. Goodness me. Could have been done for the day for the held. It wasn't to be. Wasn't to be. Suppose we could. No, don't do it. Do not do it. It's poor discipline. Not gonna do that. Gone positive on the day. NQ has clearly some more room to the upside. About 100 or so points. If we want to have a complete reversal. You see, today has big day potential because of the volatility, but at the same time, there is a big risk here. So whether I take this short here, or is the market reversed enough where it's only going to go long? This is merely a pullback. No, I'll take it. I'll take it and accept the consequences. Short. Short. $99.75. 99.75. My word, that's not a lot. It's 27.25. Oh my gosh, gonna be stopped out straight away. Oh my gosh. Clearly on the wrong side. $47.50. $5.25. Golly, I'm gonna be stopped out. Oh my god. Hmm. Stopped out there. No point waiting for stop out there. I'm just take it off. So down 43. Guess this market's only going to go up today. Guess all the selling's done. Of course, I get stopped out, then it starts to come back, of course. Because that's what happens, right? Look at me. I'm a fucking. I'm a Of course, it comes back and stops me out. Then sells off massively. Of course. Of course. Oh, I'm gonna go long. Oh, what am I doing? It's not even a part of the plan. Oh my gosh, it's not a part of the plan. What am I doing? I'm letting boredom and frustration get the better of me. I'm letting boredom and frustration get the better of me. Let's try to get out here. Come on. Let's not do this. Let's not do this. Let's not start making trades up. Let's not do that. Thing is, the reason I even thought about going long was because we came into this area that we had this consolidation. We pushed down, closed bullish, thought we may go back towards the high spot. It's not part of the strategy in any way. Why don't you yourself TK, you bastard? Why don't you fucking kidding? What the hell? What the hell you been saying there? Whoa. Whoa, buddy. What the hell? I've lost composure again. What am I doing? What am I doing? Lost composure again. Best thing that could happen right now is to be stopped out. That's the absolute best outcome. Because this isn't a setup in any way. Zero setup in any way. What am I doing? See, lower prices weren't accepted there. Took it off. Lower prices weren't accepted. Would have been stopped out, so just seeing lower prices rejected. Don't do it. Do not do it. Do not do it. Oh wow. This is interesting. ES seems ready for possibly a long. Depends how we close here. You can see I'm down 60, down 29 on NQ, down 30 on ES. About a minute 16 to go. My gosh, come on. Just leave it alone. Just be patient. Just be patient. Just be patient. Can't even take a short on EOS. Maybe I can take a short on NQ. Hmm. Move down to 81. $25.50. $40.75. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. 5.25. No, that's coming for the stop. Get it? That's going to do the same. Oh, hold on. Long, long. Oh, hold on. 21, 25. Hold on a second here. 46.25. 46.25. So it should be 21, 25. 21, 25. That's where the stop should be. So probably going to get stopped out. I'm going to go for unusually large target. $5.25. So the target for this trade should be at the 58.50 mark, and the target for the NQ trade should be at the 78.50. As we can see, I'm going for much larger targets here. Maybe we should just stick to the plan, actually. Yeah, stick to the plan and chip away. Yeah, I'll stick to the plan and chip away. I didn't build this hold using one trade, so I shouldn't be trying to get out of it using a single trade as well. So we got what, potentially 10 there, potentially 26 there. So it's like 36. Let's down to 60. Really would be a dice roll to look for. You know what? Let's leave it alone. Let's leave it. So up to that 58 there. What's happening? Why weren't the contracts filled? 58.50. Got there again. Come on. Because my alerts got triggered there. Up at that 58.50, but 4 contracts got filled. What's going on? What the world is going on? Target got filled there. Picked up 13. Target got filled there. On NQ. Picked up that 27. Okay. So only down 52. 24 on ES, 27 on NQ. NQ, of course, has the most room to go up to the upside. So we'll see. Slowly hoping to get my way back to break even. That's the first step. So it's only going to be small steps here. Because like I said before, I didn't dig this hole using a single trade, so can't imagine I'm going to just get out using one. Definitely built the hole using through bad decision making, but probably should eat something actually. Haven't eaten all day. Probably what's resulted in me making the poor decisions I've been making. Both NQ and ES are threatening to post aggressive signals long. But location isn't ideal. Location certainly not ideal. In around this high. And we've got this high here on ES. Oh crap, 9 seconds to go. It's going to take it long. Going to take this long. What are we looking at? 66.50. Eight 11.25. 8 11.25. Is that 28? It's 22.75. $3.75. Target fill there on ES. Goodness me. What are we doing? How are we going to get to 11.25 and pull back? What in the... 11.25 perfectly tested and we've pulled back. You gotta be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. Oh my word. Heard the alert trigger. Oh my word. Golly. Oh my word. How could I have placed such a perfect stop? God, target. Golly. You've got to be kidding me. We hit the level perfect and pulled back. Well, all I can do now is wait. Put the trade, so currently down 40 on the day. Of course, we could pick up this 28. Certainly be on my way back to break even. But I don't know. This trade here could wreck my psychology. Certainly could. The fact that it went all the way up to 11.25 and the order wasn't triggered. Oh, goodness me. I may have to walk away from these charts. I could be triggered here. I really could be triggered. If this doesn't get to target, I don't know. I could break. Well, I'd hope I don't break. 10. 5 ticks away. Come on. Come on. We got to 10. Come on. Let's not do this. We got to 11, so we're 1 tick away. Okay, 19 contracts left. Come on, get those 19 contracts. There we go. So we are break even on the day on NQ. We can see there 370, down slightly on the day, 902 on ES. So we're only down 12 on the day from being down 93. So yes, I suppose if I would have held the trade down here and allowed it to run, possibly may have definitely gone break even on the day. But I did say what I was going to do was follow the plan. It wasn't one trade to get the big loss, so it was a series of trades. So I'm going to follow the plan in that sense. Thing is, because we're having this breakout with momentum, we're seeing on the daily chart here, we're back in the positive on NQ. What's happening on ES? ES is in the positive as well. Thing is, ES looks a lot more bullish on the daily chart because we only had a brief pause yesterday, whereas on NQ had a slightly bearish day. So, but we are seeing this market try to retake this large bearish down day. Now I have to think about what I'm going to do to get back positive on the day. Now, when I was took the trade down here, I was looking for that 874, but I can't just go randomly take a long looking for 874. I have to stay patient here and wait for the market to set up, because with FOMO, you think the market's never going to pull back. You jump in and that's exactly when it pulls back. And then you're left frustrated about the whole thing. Why couldn't you have stayed more patient? So I've definitely seen my lack of patience cost me today. A couple of occasions, hence why I dug myself into such a big hole. Now, could still be a bearish day despite the fact that I'm back near break even and momentum seems to be on my side in terms of winning trades. But again, anything can happen. I could go into another drawdown and dig myself back into a hole. So there's no guarantees at the moment. So we just got to stay patient. It is around about lunchtime. It's 12:34 Eastern Standard Time. I did say I was going to step away from the computer to have something to eat, considering the fact that I've been awake for coming on 12 hours without anything. At the same time, I don't want to miss anything here on the market. I really don't. I suppose one of the few positives today so far has been avoiding gold. I looked at gold, and the reason I weren't looking to trade gold today was pretty much I saw these gaps. If you look at where the market, where the candle closed to where it opened, saw a lot of gaps, a lot of wicks, and it appeared to be in a bit of a range. So when I got here, I thought, something's not right, and by golly, that was a really good decision on my part, because this market here would have chopped me to pieces. Back to NQ, we just had one candle of pullback before the bulls came back. Let's see, we've got a level sitting at 43.75. Is that the previous day's high? Let's have a look. Yes, it appears to be the previous day's high at 43.75. So I suppose it's going to be of interest to someone. It's definitely a level that we have to be aware of. We started the day slightly above it. So if we just reset the charts a little bit here. Started the day slightly above that previous day's high. Had a big selling, pull back, big selling again. More recently, it appears that we are in a buying phase in the market. So, you know what? I'm going to go into mute. I'm going to keep an eye on the market from a distance and get prepared for something to, keep an eye on the market from a distance. So, just in a bit of a waiting phase at the moment. So I've come back. Had some alert to trigger. Let's see. We got to 68. Golly. So that was from this trade down here. 52 all the way up to 68. That definitely would have took us positive. Finally got to 68. That's good. Hold on a second here. No, can you take that long? I don't believe you can. It would be extraordinarily aggressive. It would be extraordinary. No, you can't. You cannot do that. That's a long through the higher day. You can't do that, surely. Surely you can't do that. No, my word. This would be incredibly aggressive. Am I brave enough to do it, or is it going to be stupid to do it? Got 21 seconds to make a decision here. You know what? going to use discretion here and not take this trade. I'm not going to do it. It's that higher day. Not going to do it. Not going to do it. Just not going to do it. You know what? In order to help myself not do it, let's get off the instrument. That's one way to fix that problem. Okay, we've seen a bit of a pullback here in NQ. And it's the sort of thing we would like to see, but we'd like to see more of a pullback for a run towards the previous day's high. Now, we haven't pulled back that far. I'm wondering what I'm going to do here today. Let's think about what the game plan would be. So let's imagine we go positive. Positive. We go positive. Let's think about this. Where would we walk away? I need to think about that. Where would I walk away? What is enough? Let's see. What would be enough for today? I suppose anything around 15. Today definitely could have been a day making similar to what we did yesterday and picking up about 70, but poor decisions on my part has meant that is completely off the table. I don't plan to trade all afternoon. That's certainly not part of the plan. So if we can get positive plus say 15, definitely would be looking at walking away. So from where we are at the moment, looking at about 27. And that would be quite a swing considering the fact that to one point we were down, realized minus 93. That certainly would be interesting. But this isn't about me, this is about the market. This is interesting. This is so tempting to take a long here towards the previous day's high. It just seems this market wants to go there. If I was to take a long, stop and target rules would apply. Where is this at 43? So maybe I'll be able to pick up 20. Nope, let's not do that. Let's not start doing that. There's zero guarantees this market will get up to 43. I think it's going to happen though. I'm going to go long. Okay, we're up 8. I'm going to adjust my stop to break even because this trade was a bit of a FOMO trade. It was a bit of a FOMO trade, so I've adjusted my stop to break even. What if he wants to break through the previous day's high? Let's give it the room. Let's give it the discretion it needs. So what happens if we get up to that 43.25? We'd be a bit more aggressive with our stop here. Okay, we're at pretty much the level. Or alert not triggered yet. Taking 7 off the table. Alert triggered. Taking 12, 14. So I got 14 locked in there. That should make us up to break even on the day. Let's see. Can we break out towards that? We said 74. Let's see, may pull back from the previous day's high, 74.25, the original target there. It may pull back and take me out, seeing if it wants to break out here of the previous day's high. If it wants to do that can pay me. I'm happy for it to do it. Even if it does come, there we go, come back. It's come back. Okay, fair enough. We break even on the day. Let's see how much I left on the table. So I was there at, what was that 39? Let's have a look. 39. We got as high as 47. Maybe you left a bit too much on the table. Who knows? Over on, oh, that's interesting. About to get signals on both ES and NQ. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Maybe not trailing. Maybe keeping my stop at break even would have been the best thing. Wow. Seeing a strong move here. Breakout to the upside on both NQ and ES. This is really interesting here. Okay. I'm going to go long on ES. I'm going to go long on NQ. So I'm long on both. A little bit early there. These are aggressive signals. Looking for 83.25 on ES. 83.25. Huh? That's not right. 83.25 on ES. Let's go. 83.25. And on NQ, what are we looking at? NQ, we're looking at 896. 896. 896. And let's see. Let's see, so that's 40.50. What's that? 32.25. 32.25. $6.25, that's right. Okay. So we'll see if these two work out. Of course, if they don't work out, I'm going to be in a bigger hole. I was at break even. Oh, goodness me. Oh, goodness me. Oh. Looks like I'm going to be stopped out. I'm going to have to do this all over again. Looks like I'm going to have to do this all over again. No, don't forget that this is the previous day's high. Let's not forget that. And we close below it. Could reverse from here. I'm going to take it off. Oh my gosh, I'm down 25. Golly. Okay, it's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. It's not the end. I just looked at it and I just remembered that this blue line represents the previous day's high. So even though the fact that we did close above it, there still remains a possibility that there could be sellers around this area. So that's why I've took it off. Lost 20 there. Lost 20. Okay. This is fine. It's fine. It wasn't aggressive long. It's fine. It's fine. It's nothing to complain about. There's nothing to complain about. Still opportunities here. See, it would have been stopped out. So instead of losing 20, would have lost 32 or so. So just gonna keep a wait here. Gonna just stay positive. There is volatility in this market, so if it does set up long through the previous day's high, we do have HOD, high of day, sitting at the 900s here, so currently trading the 825s. Certainly a lot of room up towards the highs on the day. Certainly a fair bit. So, I'm gonna stay calm here. Let the trade come to me. That's what I gotta do. I just gotta let the trade come to me. It's interesting when I think about it. Like, should I have not taken that trade? Because it closed above the previous day's high? Or was it the right decision? In hindsight, it doesn't seem like the right decision, but who knows? If there was enough momentum, this could just continue to break out away from the previous day's high. There's no guarantee that it would pull it back from there. So we just sit on the sidelines now and wait. Wait for both NQ and ES to set up. The thing about it is, ES wasn't as bare. ES didn't have the issues that NQ had. But I do know that NQ has the potential to have an impact on ES to an extent. So certainly certainly if NQ is pulling back, we could see some pullback on ES. But we'll wait. We'll wait here. We do get set up for a long. Definitely looking to take it. ES definitely looks strong here. But we'll stay patient and wait. We'll stay patient and wait. See, keep seeing this buy up here on ES. Makes me think it wants to continue higher. It really does. Because that trade is still valid. Would not have hit stop. Let's see. Let's see. You're gonna have to trade ES separate. $83.25. Oh my word. No, no, no. What's just happened there? Oh no. Nope, 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 nope. We're not going to do that. Seeing all that selling came in there. Lost 8 there on that move. But saw that selling come in. No, thank you. Lost 8, 125. Down 33. Goodness me, going the wrong way. Oh, don't tell me you just done that for intimidation. Oh, come on. You know what? Let it set up. Let it set up. Golly. Just took 8 off me. Market just took 8 from me. Okay, let's leave it alone for a while. Clearly weren't patient enough there. Clearly weren't patient enough. We got suckered in. So we can see we're down 26 on ES, down 6 on NQ. That's me. So we only were down 12 on ES. Now it's back up to 26. Okay. Okay. We're going down to 91. So we don't know. We don't know if we're going down to 91. So maybe it is a time to take that break. Be interesting. So the sell-off from the previous day's high. Interesting. Very interesting stuff. Positive on the day. Now I'm down 33. Oh, well, well. Seems ES is about to set up, but not NQ. But let's see what happens here. Nope, doesn't set up. Does not set up. Thing is, if that would have set up, I would have took a long on NQ. Would have took a long on NQ. May just take the long on NQ. $54.75. Hold on a sec. We got the previous day's high here. So let's try and take it off just before we get there. Oh, come on, don't do that. You know what, this was aggressive entry, so let's think about this. No, that does not work. Let's think about this. What was that? 14.25. We cannot allow. So that's 11.50. 11.50 on the stop. We have to follow our risk management rules. We have to. If we don't have rules, we don't have anything. Even on trades that aren't true setups, we have to follow the risk management rules. It's that simple. We cannot have these large stops and these small targets. We cannot do that. The stop has to be smaller than the target. It has to be. It's that simple. Where is, oh my gosh, where is it? At 42.25. Hold on, is that too high? 42.25. It doesn't feel like it. Come on. Okay, fantastic. So what do we pick up there? 14,500. That takes us up to +7 there. Oh, about to get a true setup. Oh, golly. A true setup at flipping. Oh my gosh, a true setup right at the level. Jeez Louise. Right at the previous day's high. Okay, whatever. Target is at 60. What is that? 2075. So that's 1650 as its stop. 1650. 1650 is a stop. Okay, it's a very tight stop considering the fact that we tested the previous day's high, which was acted as a bit of a resistance for the pullback here. So may get stopped out. Got 2075 as a target, 1650 as a stop. It's not the greatest area to be long, but we got a setup there, so let's see. Seems we're about to get a setup on ES. Again, the NQ can play a big part in whether the ES will be successful or not. ES setup just took the long. $81.25. $81.25. That's 350, is that right? Let's go look at that. $350, that's correct. Okay, we just got to 80. Looking for that 81.25. We just hit 80. Put an alert at 80.25. Alert at 80.50. Alert at 80.75. Got alerts all over there. It's having difficulty at the 80 at the moment. 80.25. Come on, 8.50. 75, 81. One tick away. Come on. Come on. Seriously? Oh my word. Come on. One tick. Fuck, man. Oh, what's happened here? Oh, you're joking. You gotta be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. We got to 58. 2 points away, or 8 ticks on NQ. Oh my gosh. So close. Golly. Come on, just take out the highs by that one tick. Golly. Come on. Oh my gosh. Ugh. I was trying to feel like you're willing this market. Oh, golly. Let's see. I need to put some alerts at 8:59.25 on NQ. 58.50, so 2 ticks above the previous highs there. But come on. Oh my gosh, come on. 1 tick? Come on. What are we doing? Golly. Oh, come on, man. Ugh. Jeez Louise. Wow. Is this what it's going to be? I suppose it had to happen eventually. Trade getting within 1 tick of target and turning around and hitting a stop. It had to happen eventually. So currently down 19. Really, I need this to get above 79. Need to get to 79. The longer we're away from 79, the more problematic it is. God, it's just not. Oh my gosh. Okay, so down 19. So what we got over here, 20. Oh my gosh, so that will cover that 20. So that will cover that. And then this would take us positive on the day. Come on, I just need this market to turn around and take out the highs. Man. Oh my gosh, margins are so small. They are so small. It's triggered out. This stopped out. Stop filled. Golly. 2 points here. 1 tick here. It's that close to achieving my objectives. That close. That close. One tick. So 1 tick and 8 tick. So 58. Target was at 60. So it had to happen. Now we wait. If I was trading my P&L, of course, I could have gotten out for break even. But I was hoping that the trades would have just turned around. Would have got to target, but it wasn't the case. It was not the case. So here I am. Again, the previous day's high, this blue line. And that's the thing. I could have recognized that it's just closed below it again and took the trade off. Okay, we're about break even, but it certainly wouldn't have been a 16,750 loss. Then again, I suppose we had that bonus trade in there anyway. Was it a bonus trade actually? Yes, this was a bit of a bonus trade, didn't quite set up. Let's see. This bonus trade. Well, they wouldn't have hit target on the bonus trade anyway, so good thing I took the profits out. Hmm. Not real people. You are not real. You're not real. You are not real. It's just not gonna go up. Like, it's down 9. I'm sure if we can get back this 36 on EOS. What this market's doing is oscillating around the previous day's high. So where are we? 33. So 43 is 10 points. Do we think it's going to get there? It's had so many chances. This market's had so many chances. It's had so many fucking chances. Am I going to really take a long back up to that level? How many times has he had a chance? Might take a long here and it ends up failing. Oh, hold on a sec. Let's have a look at EOS. Why do you have to fucking go up there, come down, and find buyers? I really think I was just going short here. Just out of the frustration of that, the frustration out of the previous day's high. I just feel, oh my gosh. Ah, goodness me. Well, let's not make it any worse. Lost another 9 there. Ah, goodness me. Wasn't even a true setup. That trade was just out of frustration. Just like that, I lost 9. Of course. Of course, now you're going to... Let's see if ES is setting up as well. No, ES is not setting up. So it's NQ only. Again, it's around the previous day's high. So there is a degree of risk here. $60.50. Let's go with 60.25. Oh, come on. Whatever. Whatever. So it should be 12.25. Let's put it at 12. Yeah, of course it's gonna. Oh my gosh. Went for the short, got stopped out. Went for the long, got stopped out. Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course, of course. Saw that move up, that quick move up as it's come back down towards that 50. Decided to go long, looking for it to break up towards that 60. To see if I can pick up 10 points here. So really I can only risk 8. I can only risk 8. Okay, so I picked up that 10 there. Okay. What's going on there? Let's go figure that out. What is that still? Let's go over to okay. Let's go figure this out. Flipping crazy breakout. Like, what is this, man? Is this going to be the breakout? $77.50. It's not even a part of your trading plan. It's not even a part of your trading plan. But here you are. So it should be 12.50. 12.50. So breakouts aren't part of the trading plan. I thought after holding here for quite a long time, we may see one. May prove to be completely wrong. We shouldn't even be coming back. No. You know what? It makes a new low. Okay, we'll give back the 10 we picked up. No, don't like it. Don't like it. Hmm. You know what? Let's see if I can get in at 40 here. Sorry, get in at 860. No, it's not part of the plan. What I was going to do is get in at 860 and target the 900s, but it's not a part of the plan, so it's not a part of the plan. This looks like it's going to break out. It just looks like it wants to head higher towards the 900s. I'm going to take it. The standard target stop rules apply. 32.25. So I'm looking for this to go all the way up to 900, slightly below where the highs of day are. If we can do that, be a massive way towards. Hold on a second here. Be a massive way towards reducing the size of the loss. Then again, it's not a true setup, so all the usual risks associated. Oh, you fucking joking, man. Fuck, man. Lee, man, what the Why can't you just get away from the previous day's high? Why can it not fucking just get away from the previous day's high? Seems we're going to close below the previous day's high. Who knows, this may be the final trade. I'm going to go short. So maybe the final trade here. Looking for a move down to the 724.25. Yeah, I'll admit it, I'm emotionally hijacked. If you're going to fail to keep getting hold above the previous day's high, then yes, I'm going to take a short. Despite the fact that the market's been bought for, you can see, several hours. So I need to put an alert over at 1175. 1125. Down at 80. 51. I suppose my stop won't be all the way down there. Is it coming back already? Seems like it. Well, we close above the previous day's high, then let's call it a day. There's a lot of buying there. Where are the sellers? So flipping not here. Where are the sellers? This market's too comfortable up here. Taking it off. What do we lose there? 11. Didn't really lose a lot, but every time we come down, we get bought up. That wasn't a true setup. Different, man. How am I supposed to get good data if I keep dying? Okay. Think about this. Okay, so standard setup. What the hell is that? 71.25. Oh, it should be 14. No, there's no point. It's clearly going to go to the stop. Anyway, I'm going to call it a day there, down 112.596. So I think we had a day of 70 yesterday. It was pretty much perfect. Coming today, had a big losing day. See, we're seeing. Is this thing going to actually fail? That's what the problem is. Is this going to actually fail off the previous day's high? It's made so many attempts. Tried to get away, couldn't. No. Yeah, down 121. Yeah, I'm definitely calling it a day here. I'm not going to have another 150 losing there. So, pretty bad day after having a good day yesterday. Came in, thought I could see some continuation in terms of performance. Made a lot of trades here around this blue line, which is the previous day's high as the market chopped. Lost quite a bit of P&L. So, it's just going to be a day we're going to have to chalk down, write down on the books, unfortunately. I'll come back tomorrow, see if the conditions are better. But with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.